Okay, this is the new starter on the 84 Chevy. Oh god, it's tight. Ah. Okay. There's the starter. There's the flex plate with the torque converter. There you can see the starter teeth near the flex plate. Oh, damn, this thing's low. All right, start it. Turn off the fan. Try it again. It's not doing anything now. Crap. Hold on. It's like the teeth are stuck in the flywheel. I said the teeth are meshed into the flywheel. Crap. We're gonna have to do some more shim work. Oh well. Ugh. Why are you sliding the camera? I was gonna slide this thing. Oh well.